giant.
Oh my God, John, don't call them. Stop it.
What do you feed turkeys anyway?
Shut the goddamn door.
No,
Shut,
shh.
come up here. Shut the door.
Do you have any food?
I only have like Cheerios or something, right?
No sudden moves.
They have Lucky Charms.
Yeah, Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious.
Huh?
I'm sure the turkeys will love.
Oh my God. Don't let them come up the stairs. They will come right up the steps, John. You can't leave this door open.
Okay.
Shut it.
Get out of here, please. The phone's ringing.
Go answer.
I don't have a phone. Please shut the door. I don't have to charge it into my house. Soundless creations. I'm not answering it. It's the unknown number. You see how big they are, Julia?
Thank you. Come again.
They eat the other parts. They don't eat the fruity ones. Move, please. Okay. They're gonna probably get mad that we're feeding wild turkeys.
Lucky Charms.
That's it. Magical sweet surprises.
We're gonna be arrested.
Look at that.
Hello.
John.
Hi.
They'll come climb up the stairs, John. They'll eat it eventually.